Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at a powerful corded upright vacuum built specifically for homes with pets and heavy debris, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum. Right away, what makes this vacuum stand out is its raw suction power. Unlike cordless models that rely on battery limits, the Ball Animal 3 Extra delivers consistent, high-performance suction through a corded design. That means no drop in power, no waiting for recharge, and no compromise during deep cleaning sessions. Dyson engineered this model specifically for homes with pets, and you can see that in the design of its cleaner head. It uses powerful bristle technology that digs deep into carpets to lift embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair that normal vacuums often leave behind. Whether it's thick carpets, rugs, or high-traffic areas, this vacuum is built to restore surfaces to a cleaner state. One of the biggest upgrades in this extra version is improved detangling capability. Pet hair is one of the toughest challenges for any vacuum, but the brush system is designed to reduce hair wrap so you don't have to constantly cut or clean the roller. That means less maintenance and more consistent performance over time. Another key feature is Dyson's ball technology. Instead of traditional wheels, the vacuum pivots on a central ball mechanism. This makes it surprisingly easy to steer around furniture, corners, and tight spaces despite its upright size. It feels more controlled and agile compared to older bulky uprights. The suction system is also engineered for whole machine airflow, meaning the vacuum maintains strong suction across the entire unit, not just at the head. This improves efficiency when moving between floors, carpets, and different types of debris. For homes with pets or allergies, the filtration system is another major advantage. It traps fine dust, allergens, and microscopic particles inside the machine, helping improve indoor air quality while cleaning. This makes it especially useful for households dealing with shedding pets or dust-sensitive environments. Although it's a corded vacuum, that's actually part of its strength. You get unlimited runtime, making it ideal for large homes or deep cleaning days where cordless batteries might not be enough. Overall, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra is built for serious cleaning performance. It's powerful, durable, and designed to handle tough messes, especially in pet-heavy households. If you want consistent suction, deep carpet cleaning, and minimal maintenance, this is one of Dyson's most reliable upright options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more tech and home appliance reviews, and check the link below to get the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra on Amazon today.